Welcome back, students. This is the fifth part of chapter 2, population dynamics. Now today's topic is population pyramids. What is population pyramid? Now population pyramids are graphs that show information. And information about what? About the age and gender, that is male or female, of any specific country. And these graphs, they are known as pyramids. Why? Because of their triangular shape. As you can see here, because of this triangle shape, they are known as pyramids. Now population pyramids, they have males on the left side, here on the left, and females on the right side. There is a vertical line in the middle of the graph. This is the vertical line in the middle of the graph that separates the males from females, and the age groups or range is mentioned there. So it is this line, vertical line, is separating the male from the female, and in between here is written all the age groups. All age groups are mentioned there. Population pyramids are of four types: progressive, expansive, stationary, and constrictive. The first one that we will study is progressive population pyramids. Now what are they? This type of population pyramid has a triangular shape, as you can see here. The shape is of a triangle, and with a very wide base. The base is very wide, and the apex, that is the top, is pointed, and the bar of each age group becomes lesser with the increase in age. So with the increase in age, the bar it becomes lesser. The large base indicates a high birth rate. This wide base that you can see, this large base, it indicates a high birth rate, which may be probably due to the countries exhibiting a developing economy, poverty, low levels of female education, and less awareness of proper family planning. And the pointed top, that is the apex of the pyramid, it indicates a high death rate, which shows that the life expectancy in such a country is low. So what can the factors be behind this? Like poor living conditions. Factors like poor living conditions and lack of proper medical facilities may be responsible for the high mortality rate among the elder age groups, among the older age groups. Such countries have a higher population of children as compared to people of working age or senior citizens. So the population of children is more in comparison to the working age or senior citizens, that is older people. This results in a strain on the working age population. Why so? Because to support the large younger population, which makes them work in a very stressful condition. And African countries like Niger belong to this category. Next is expansive population pyramids. Now this population pyramid is similar to the progressive population pyramid. How? Because here also the percentage of the younger age group, as you can see, is higher than all the other age groups. So younger age group, the percentage is high. But the only difference between these two population pyramids, that is between progressive and expansive, is that the bottom bars of an expansive population pyramid are stable and constant. So these are the bottom bars. They are stable and they are constant, which indicates that deaths are not common among the youth, and death rate is visibly lesser, but the birth rate is still high. These countries have a higher life expectancy than countries with a progressive population pyramid, and due to fall in death rate, more people live into middle age. An example, Haiti can be considered in this category. Next is stationary population pyramids. Now this type of population pyramid, it shows a rectangular or a square shape. As you can see here, a rectangular or square shape, almost a rectangle, or a square. Why? Because the population consists of almost the same number of people in all age groups. It only decreases towards the top as most deaths occur among the elderly. Towards the top, as you can see, it decreases. Okay. Why? Because most deaths occur among the elderly people. The countries that show this pyramid have high life expectancy, and there is a steep increase in population of people over 65 years. And why is there a steep increase in population? It can be due to the better living conditions, medical facilities, okay, proper medical facilities, etc. They also have a stable birth rate as there is more awareness and incentives of proper family planning. Right? So proper family planning here is done. Okay. Then women, they are also given importance in the society, and such a pyramid shows a stable increase in the country's population with time. So there is stability, okay, in the country's population. And examples can be Morocco and USA. These countries fall in this category. The last one is constrictive population pyramids. Now it is just the opposite of progressive population pyramid. It shows a slight constriction at the bottom, as you can see, slight constriction at the bottom, which represents the younger age group. So this represents a younger age group, right? These bars. So there is constriction here. There is a high life expectancy and good living conditions in such countries leads to higher number of older people. So these two conditions, like high life expectancy and good living conditions, it leads to higher number of older people. Now despite this, there is lesser number of births taking place. Why? Because there is this constriction, as we can see. So it indicates lesser number of births taking place. So births are outnumbered by the number of deaths, and this indicates what? A decreasing population. The ratio of older people is higher than the youth in the country, and this places a burden again upon the working age population, okay, to support the large number of elderly people who are dependent on them. The decrease in the number of births indicates that people are choosing to have lesser children. This decrease in the birth that you can see, it probably indicates to the fact that people are now opting to have lesser children. Okay, and population decrease may also be due to the increased levels in emigration. Australia, Japan, and Germany are some countries that lie in this category of constrictive population pyramids. So as you can see here down, this is a graph showing a comparison of the 4 population pyramids. This is progressive, you can see triangle, expanding, stationary, and constrictive. This is the age that they have given, and this blue shaded part is for the male and the purple part is for the female population. Now we come to the end of the chapter. Thank you so much.